Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture in your Microsoft 365 account. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically now, all you would be needing to do is to go to your Microsoft account. And to do so, here I'm connected to the Microsoft Cloud .microsoft, and here where I can find all my Microsoft products. And basically, you would be needing to go to your Microsoft account where you can manage your profile. So basically, you can do it in many ways. You can click on my profile or on my Microsoft account, and basically, it will take you to the same pages. So as you can see here, I have my account. And from here, we can see the Microsoft account. And there, or from here, or this menu, you will need just to go to your info. So you will be able to change your Microsoft's profile picture. Now, as you can see, that both options like take you to the same center, which is the account.microsoft.com. And here we are on the profile. As you can see, the first thing we find is the change photo. And basically, we need just to click on it. And from here, you will be able to start changing your picture. All you need, either you can edit this picture, like you can start like rotating and stuff, or you can even start like zooming, or simply change the photo so you can add a new picture. Or you can simply remove it totally by clicking on remove photo and start having a blank profile picture. Then you will need just to click on save, and by clicking on save you will have like the changes that we apply, and you will have successfully changed your profile picture. So simply those were like the steps on how you can basically or easily change your photo. And as you can see, there is also another shortcut by clicking just on your profile picture, and it will take you to the same page or to the same modal dialog, and from there you can like change your picture. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.